Hi, I'm Harris Waddles with Amba Products, and today we're taking a look at one of our most versatile and trusted lines of heated towel racks, the Radiant Collection. The Radiant line has long been recognized for its combination of sleek design, reliable performance, and everyday comfort. In 2024, we reimagined the entire collection to make it even more flexible and user-friendly. Every model now comes standard as a plug-in unit with a hardwire conversion kit included, giving you two installation options in one. We also introduced a new blue LED switch, built for durability and a refined modern look. Each Radiant rack is crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel and offered in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and finishes to complement virtually any bathroom. At the heart of the collection is the classic round bar style that offers straight and curved horizontal bar options. Offered in a small, medium, and large size, all are available in polished and brushed stainless steel. Select models are also offered in matte black, satin brass, brushed bronze, and polished gold. For a bolder, more architectural statement, the Radiant Square models feature clean right angles and a striking contemporary profile. It is available in two sizes, medium and large, and three finishes: brushed stainless, polished stainless, and matte black. Once installed, each unit gently warms and dries towels, helping reduce moisture and bacteria growth, keeping them fresher between uses. A simple daily upgrade that adds comfort and sophistication to your space. Designed for dependable performance and backed by a 2-year warranty, the Radiant Collection delivers the perfect balance of form, function, and lasting quality. For more information, visit us online at ambaproducts.com.